Here's something cool I just bought. A Mario set. It looked different online. I was expecting a lunchbox size. This is like 11 inches by maybe 13 inches. And really skinny. Like 2-3 inches maybe. 2.5. Okay, I've taken the plastic off. I love that he was Charlie Day. Like, that was the worst movie I've ever seen. It's not the worst movie I've ever seen, but it was not good. It was not good at all. Why was this Jack Black? And then which one was Charlie? That movie made no sense. I was that said Tim Curry case. I said, excuse me? Like, if you hear ramblings, it's my kitties in the background. Peaches, 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 peaches. That song sucks. All of his songs are catchy, but they're not good in these kids' movies. Nice little cathedral house. There's boos in the sky. Is that a boo? Oh no, it's a bird. It's not a boo. It's all drinkled inside. Man, mine's all drinkled up. I think it's very cool that it comes with stamps. I don't like that Luigi is so small. I want to stamp Luigi on everything. Luigi. I don't know if it was a good thing to spray my cats with catnip, little baby ones. Because now that there's a catnip toy, one of them is super hooked. It's Milton. It's Milton. It's Milton. What you gonna learn today? I gotta take out Milton's song. Okay, we got Mario. Mario. Wahoo! Whoa! Wahoo! Wahoo! Most of the gang is there. Another pin. Three more pins. Are there any color words on them? No. Nintendo trademarks. Oh, something's coloring my skin. Cat! There's supposed to be more stuff in here. His face looks like an ICP clown. They always do my man Luigi dirty. Why is his emblem so small? And his cap is see-through. He didn't even get a red and green cap like his brother. Wahoo! If I mail you a letter, it's getting Luigi stamped. That is exciting. Here's the ink pad. Super Mario. I think this is an eraser. It's flat and smooth on the top where the picture is, but it feels weird over here. Kind of like rubbery. Nice. Nice. I love him so much. Nothing's on the back. Yeah, there's supposed to be way more stuff in here. I said it was over 500 pieces, and it's supposed to be coloring pages. This little stack of pictures is not 500. It feels small, though. But I could use this to put little mini paintings in. Go out. Luigi. If this is Peach, I've never seen her look like that. She looks great. That middle one. Repeats. 4 repeats. They're counting every individual sticker as a separate piece. That's offensive, actually. 4 repeats. This is really thin computer paper. It labeled it like it was going to be a coloring book. These are just sheets. Nice. Donkey Kong is mine. I'm keeping that one. I'm keeping my boyfriend. I'll keep that one too, actually. This is a good Mario. Oh, Luigi's so cute. Luigi. A superstar. Whoa. I love him because he's scared of ghosts and stuff. Like, me too, dude. I'm not. Castle's haunted. She looks great. Nice. I can share this one. That one's crazy. Okay, let me get that Luigi. I'm gonna get both Luigis. I can share this other one. Where'd he go? I can share Jolly Luigi. She's cute. Share this one. I think I'll color this one on screen. We can color together. I think I'll keep that one. I can share this one. Color this one on screen. Give away Donkey Kong. Okay, personal pile, giveaway, color on screen. Yo, that's crazy. She got stolen. Cool. What a man. Nice, classic. Yikes. Luigi. Oh, Donkey Kong Jr. there's a game on here. I'm playing that. The yeast of thoughts and minds. The tic-tac-toe. I hope somebody will play tic-tac-toe with me. That's really fun. I like tic-tac-toe. Oh, Mario. Luigi. Waluigi. Wario. We'll do that as a giveaway. That was tough. I was like, what is that? Mario. Luigi. Yoshi. Toad. Get that one away. Maybe my cats can play that. Keep this one. I'll play this one on camera. We can all play together. A Luigi. Princess. Do this one on camera. It's Milton. Oh yeah, it's Milton. It's Milton. What you wanna do today? It's Milton. It's Milton. It's Milton. Oh yeah. What you wanna do today? It's Milton. It's Milton. It's Milton. It's Milton. She is somebody else, because this is Peach right here. This is Daisy. I don't know who she is. She looks great. We're gonna find out her name. We're gonna learn who she is. We're gonna play this. We're gonna figure out a name out of them letters. Yeah, I'm saying. Yeah. Saying. Okay, these are ones we'll do on screen. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She's so cute. She's so cute. 7, 8. She looks amazing. I need one of these. 9. He's so cute. 10. 11-piece giveaway, and we'll do maybe some stickers on it, so make it 14. Here's my personal ones. I'm really a fan. She's like emo coded too. So I don't have a copy of that one that I like from the giveaway pile. If I don't have one in the on-screen coloring pile, then I'm gonna switch it, because I really want that one picture of that girl. Okay, I got my picture out. So I traded her to the giveaway for another maze. Not this one, but it was another maze. I put it at the end. Well, I need this, sorry. Okay, so the giveaway I think is still 11 pieces. It's 2 stickers and 8, 9, 10 pictures maybe. This is the stack we'll do together on screen. Fun. And you can say where to put the stickers if you want. Maybe I'll mail out another couple stickers too. I need to keep 2 of each one for myself. Okay, so I need to stamp. So I have, yeah, I can do 1 big pack and then 1 individual sticker sheet for giveaways. This is so cute. That's my favorite one. And also him. This blue guy's cute. Love Luigi. Okay.